to look at number system. Now let's write the title here, number system. Okay, now let's look at the numbers that's base 10. 294 base 10. And how do we define the a place for the numbers? You look at the first number, and that one is at 10 to the power of 0's location, so that's equal to 1. And the second number is located at 10 to the power of 1 location, that's equal to 10. And the third number is located at 10 to the power of 2 location, that is 100. And if you multiply everything, 10 to the power of 0 times 4, 10 to the power of 0 times 4 plus 10 to the power of 1 times 9 plus 10 to the power of 2 times 2. So this is basically 1 times 4 plus 9 times 10 plus 100 times 2. And when you calculate this one, you get this number back. This is 294. That's how we hold, like, these numbers hold the place, certain places for each number. There's a certain places for each number. This is the human way of reading numbers. Okay, we can go ahead and look at an example with a decimal place as well. Let's try a decimal number. Let's look at this number, 15.214. And the number that's before, actually I can say left side of decimal place, the first number always contains 10 to the power of 0. The second number contains 10 to the power of 1. But as it goes to our right side of the decimal points, this becomes negative. This is 10 to the power of -1, and this one becomes 10 to the power of -2, and this one is 10 to the power of -3. And as it expands, the number, the negative power increases, but decrease in value, but the power number increases. Okay. And if you rewrite this one in terms of like 1 times 10 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 0 plus 2 times 10 to the power of -1 plus 1 times 10 to the power of -2 plus 4 times 10 to the power of -3, you will get the same number back. But let's simplify this one a little bit more. This is 5 times, because 10 to the power of 0 is 1, so this is 5. And 2 times 10 to the power of -1, that is 2 over 10. And then 1 times 10 to the power of -2 is 1 over 100. And then plus 4 times 10 to the power of -3 is 4 over 1000. And if you plug this value in calculator and calculate this one, you're going to get 15.214 back. Okay, that's basically the human way of reading numbers. Now let's look at what computers read. Computers read number differently. Like, it called binary numbers. It's only have 1 and 0. The maximum number computer can read is 1. Okay, let's look at that. So here, binary is base 2. Our numbers are base 10, so it goes up to 9. Binary number is base 2, so it goes to number 0, 1. You can see the pattern, like when the base is 10, the maximum number we can have is 9. When the base is 2, the maximum number we have is 1 less than the base, that is 1. It's because it's starting from 0. The computer numbers always start from 0, so we count from 0. So when the base is 10, it's 9. When the base is 2, it's 1. If the base is 7, it's going to be 6. Something like that. Now let's look at this one. Binary, base 2. Now let's look at an example of binary number. 101101. How can you convert this one into a base 10 number? Now, like, as we seen before, for the base 10 numbers, the initial value contains 10 to the power of 0. Same like that, binary number also contains 2 to the power of 0. So this one is 2 to the power of 0. And then as we go to the right, it's going to increase in power. So this is 2 to the power of 1. This is 2 to the power of 2. And this is 2 to the power of 3. And this one is 2 to the power of 4. And then this one is 2 to the power of 5. And if we calculate everything, then we are going to get the base 10 value. So let's go ahead and do that. This is equivalent to let's start with this one, 2 to the power of 5 times 1 plus 2 to the power of 4 times 0 plus 2 to the power of 3 times 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 times 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 times 0 plus 2 to the power of 0 times 1. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Times 0, but so this is going to be 0. I'm going to write 0 here. 0. And then 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 1, that is 8. And then 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 1, that's 4. Then 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0 again. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And if we add them, 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 1, that is 45. So if you have a question like this, let's say the question is asking 101101, and they have given the base 2, convert this one into base 10. The answer is 45. That's how we do it. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.